Hey guys, I'm here to give you just a quick video for you guys that have these Echo machines from back in the day. This one is about 15 years old, I think. PB200, it was the next level up. It's been an amazing machine lately. It doesn't want to start. I break my hand trying to start this sucker. I almost cursed there, sorry about that. And last week after I mowed, I couldn't get it started. I waited like 45 minutes pulling it and nothing. So I ended up going to Amazon and ordering a little kit. They call it a tune-up kit. I didn't even look to see if it matched. I just said Echo Blower tune-up kit, and I bought the first one there for $8.48, I think it was. So I just mowed my lawn, and instead of becoming aggravated again, I decided to just look at it. I'm an average Joe. I don't like to deal into anything that can cause me a problem. So this is why I made this video, to show you the two little things that I changed out of the whole freaking tune-up kit. And you wouldn't believe it. On the first pull, this mother of all Echo machines that gave me so much trouble the last months started on the first pull cold. I was shocked. Are you ready? Let me show you what I changed. All I did was pull this out, which is the filter. You see how dirty it is from here? You just unscrew it here and then pull out the old one, and then the new one goes right back in. Now this, the air breathing system is through here, and it's plastic, so it is full of oil and I guess gas. So I rubbed it really good with a brush and everything came out. And then the next thing I did was, look, you see here? This is where the spark plug is. I yanked this little part out and unscrewed the spark plug, and bam, where is it? This is the old one, and it looks kind of burnt there. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know if all of them get like that. Remember, I'm an average Joe. But anyway, I didn't do the little bubble. I didn't do the little gas hoses. I didn't do anything because I'm just an average Joe. But check this out. Make sure that you press this back in so it pops a couple of times all the way in. And change this, and boom, it started in one freaking pull. And for some reason, it seems to have a lot more power. Maybe the breathing system here that I changed gets it more air in there, where before it could have been clogged. Anyway, guys, I suffered a lot. So I'm making this little video for you guys not to suffer anymore. Okay, I hope it works for you. Take care. I'm out.